Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to like a game in Roblox using your PC. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we've got a couple of different ways we can do this. We can use our web browser, go to roblox.com, make sure to sign in. Should automatically sign you in if you are signed in. If not, go ahead and sign in. And now from here, in order to like a game, just find that particular game. You can find it here on the home page or do a search. So I'm just going to pick a random game here. So if I like, say for example, this Super Golf, I'm going to click Super Golf. And now to like the game, we've got about, store, servers, and above servers we've got favorite, notify, like and dislike. So to like a game, just go ahead and click on the thumbs up. But before you do that, you must visit the experience before you can vote on it. So yeah, you need to visit the experience. So make sure you do that and then smash that like button. And now if there's someone to type in car in the search, and if there's a particular car game you want to like, so we can click onto season 14 car dealership tycoon, and it's the same thing. So go ahead and click on like again, and that's how you like a game inside Roblox on your PC.